Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Post Oak Point, which is a new community for D.R. Horton. Now, this community is very unique because it falls within two cities. The cities are Fresno, Texas and Arcola, Texas. Now, this home that we're viewing is called the Gavin Plan. It is a one-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, a little over 1,700 square feet, and the price point is going to be under the $300,000 range. Now, if you notice, I did mention that this home was located in two different cities, which means two different school districts because those are two different counties. But for some reason, they have all the students zoned to Fort Bend ISD schools. Those schools are going to be Heritage Rose Elementary, Baines Middle School, and Ridge Point High School. Now I'm going to double check to see if those schools are accurate because I know a lot of time it's important for parents to know exactly where their schools are going to be zoned to for each property. So if you are interested, make sure you leave that question below in the comments and I'll make sure I answer it. And if you are interested in viewing other communities around the Houston metropolitan area, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. And by the way, if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the tour.